Okay, we must know the price of the premium potato. So, as a programmer, I've decided to make a program that calculates the price of a potato. So, what are the most important traits of a potato? I believe it is the thickness of the skin, how long it was baked, the amount of bumps, and the size of the potato. And don't forget, we included tax. So now let's try out this program. Okay, so we're gonna do two different potatoes. The premium potato and an amateur potato. First, we will do the amateur potato. Only 2 millimeters, gross. It was only baked for 1 hour, and it's not even bumpy, and it's nearly the size of a grape. Oh my gosh, this is such a bad potato. It only cost 57 cents. Now, let's calculate the price of the premium potato. It had a whopping 7 millimeter skin. Oh, that chewiness. It was baked for 9 hours to get that, just to get that supreme, nice, crispy skin. And guess what? This one's a bumpy one. It's barely round. You can't call this thing round. It's super bumpy. And guess what? It's bigger than a watermelon. $3. That. Now let's do the God potato. God potato has a 100 millimeter skin. It was baked for like 3 days. And it's mega bumpy. It has like 100 bumps. And it's 10 times the size of a watermelon. And it's only $30. Have a good day.